Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to give a review on Zomato. To write a review on Zomato, you need to have an account on the platform. You can sign up using your email address or social medias. Then, search for the restaurant you want to review using the search bar or on the Zomato website. You can search by the restaurant's name, cuisine, or location. Now click on the restaurant's name from the search results to go to the restaurant's profile page. Look for Write a Review or Add Your Review on the restaurant's page. Rate the restaurant by giving it a star rating. Write your review in the text box provided. Share details about your experience, such as the quality of food, service, and others. You can also add photos of the food or restaurant to your review if you wish. Zomato typically picks users to rate different aspects of their experience, such as food, service, and others. You can provide individual ratings for each of these aspects. Once you have written your review and rated the restaurant, click on Submit or Post to publish your review. If you need to make changes to your review or delete it, you can usually do so by going to the review on Zomato and using the editing or deleting options provided. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.